Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Vera and today I will talking about the deforestation. The deforestation is the permanent removal of trees to make room for something besides forest. This can include clearing the land for agriculture or grazing, or the timber for full construction or manufacturing. Forests cover more than 30% of the Earth's land surface. According to the World Wildlife Fund, these forested areas can provide food, medicine, and food for more than a billion people. Worldwide forests provide 13.4 million people with jobs in the forest sector, and another 41 million people have jobs related to forests. The combination of extremely high deforestation rates, increased temperature, and decreasing rainfall are all contributing to the desertification of the country. The carbon emissions from deforestation is also said to account for 87% of the total carbon emissions of the country. One of these more affected countries is Borneo, Cerrado, Chocotaren, Congo Basin, Eastern Africa, Eastern Australia, and Haiti. One of the solutions of deforestation is the government regulations, reforestation and afforestation, reduce consumptions of paper, educate people, eat less meat, plant more tree, don't print, become a vegetarian, make other research. Um, I believe that my topic is very important because we're destroying our planet very quickly and we need to stop. I totally agree 100% with all of my findings because almost all of them told me to stop doing all of these bad habits that everyone have done. My topics had a big impact on me because they scare me that one day we will kill our planet and won't be able to reserve it. The most interesting fact I found was how 31% of Earth's remaining frontier is endangered by human activities. It's important to know the solutions and the consequences of this problem because we have to change the world.